How's it going? My name's James and welcome. Today we are going to be installing an exhaust on my 2014 F150. And the exhaust I got is an MBRP, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Right here, this is the subject, 2014 F150. It is bone stock at the moment. We don't have anything done to it. Alright, so here's what the exhaust looks like out of the box. Here's everything laid out nice and neat. This is the MBR Plaque series, so there's a nice exhaust tip there. And why I went with this system is because I like the black coating, because as you can see my truck has a black theme to it. So this is seemed to be a good fit. So this is what it looks like all laid out, and we'll get to it, installing it on that right there. Sprayed all the nuts and bolts connections with PB Blaster. Go ahead and let that sit for a couple minutes, and then we should be good to rip this thing out and put the new one back in. Also did all the rubber fittings. That usually helps to slide those grommets off. Alright, so we got her out. A little bit of a struggle, but not too bad. And there she is. I was pretty worried that we might have to use a lift, but we got out that and cut it. A little bit of work, and now we're going to put the new one in.